The wait, for me, is finally over. I know a billion people have already unboxed these things, but I finally just got mine. Ironically, UPS was not letting me track my AirTag, so defeats the whole purpose. Imagine if they lost it. How ironic would that have been? And I know some people were saying that they saw copyright 2020 or copyright 2019 on some AirTags accessories. Mine says copyright 2021, so I guess they caught on quick to that one. But honestly, it feels like they didn't even include an AirTag in this box. Like, it's so insanely light, and I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet, so we'll use our classic green tab here to open the bad boy up. Peel open this way, and oh, we got the paperwork right on top in case you forgot what you bought. They remind you, which happens to me all the time. I'm like, what the heck did I just order? We're gonna open this bad boy up, and oh, hey, there it is. Holy crap, it just fits in right with the paper. This is honestly, in my opinion, like the most Apple product ever. Like, it's so simple. It's a white circle with an Apple logo on the back. You can't get any more Apple than that. And probably the genius part of this design is you basically take the plastic off of this, and the plastic itself, oh my goodness, that is so shiny, but the plastic itself locks the battery in place, and that turns it on for the first time. But I can already tell just looking at the back of this thing, it is so shiny and so reflective. I'm just going to take it in for a moment here because it is never going to look like this again. It's gonna scratch instantly. But yeah, so I just have to pull the plastic off here. It's got even a little arrow with instructions, and as soon as I do that, a noise is made, and I instantly see it show up next to the iPhone. This is honestly what third-party geo-tile tracking devices cannot compete with. I mean, look at that. How could you get more simple of a setup process? It was literally just, I took it out of the packaging and it turned on. Like, how can it get more simple than that? All right, I'll hit connect. This is gonna be keys for me, probably. It's already setting up to Andrew's keys. I actually think I won't even attach this to my keys. I just want to hold it. Oh, it's making noises. And boom, I just hit done. It's already set up. I would say that entire process took about 3 minutes. But honestly, I don't lose my keys very much. I'm mainly concerned about losing myself, someone losing track of me. So I thought it would probably just make the most amount of sense to... Kind of vanilla flavor. Okay, now I can never be lost. For realsies though, I did also get the cheapest possible AirTag keyring, which was the Belkin one. Honestly, I would have chose a keychain like this one because I want the shortest possible distance between the AirTag and the rest of my keys, and all the Apple leather or loop ones they were selling seemed pretty long and pretty like dangly on my keychain themselves, so that's why I ordered this at the same time, and the box is also incredibly light. Wow, we've got two separate pieces here. I'm sure you could 3D print these if you have a 3D printer or something. They are more than likely very easy to find yourself, but oh, I see. These come apart like this. Man, I'm just looking at how much plastic was actually required for this accessory, and I guarantee you making this whole thing probably cost them, you know, like 10 cents, probably less than that, but okay. Cool, we're ready. I'm essentially going to slide in this little tag here like this, and I assume it somewhat clicks into place. Oh, wait, they have little pins that align. Oh, this is weird. You go on top, and then you swipe it like that. Oh, okay. So now you got the little Apple logo on the back. You've got the little white puck on the front, and there you have it. That's as simple as it needs to be, and that's pretty much the cheapest way you can set this thing up. For me, with sales tax, this whole get up here cost about $45. I guess it does come with the little ring, but I think I'm just going to attach this part to my keys anyway. And that's it. You really don't have to worry about charging it for over a year. Knowing me, I'm probably just going to forget to replace the batteries after a year, but let me take this out. It's actually pretty easy to take out of the little accessory. I like how intuitive Belkin made it to take it out if you want to, but I wanted to mess around with how easy it is to take the little mobile battery pack on the inside out. So I believe you just kind of squeeze down. Oh yeah, you can feel a little bit of pressure give, and then you twist. Oh, just like that, it pops open, and you've got the battery on the inside, and it's completely dry, nothing to worry about. We got our 2032 battery on the inside from Panasonic, and we can line this back up, and oh, Oh, it boots up instantly. I hear the little speaker. I can just screw it shut just with a little bit more pressure, and boom, AirTag is already ready to go. So I can imagine replacing the batteries on these things is going to be easy peasy when the time comes. And now I'm going to probably ask my wife to hide this somewhere in the house and see if I can find it.
All right, Louise, I bestow upon you a gift.
Thank you. What is it?
Now, go hide this somewhere in the house, and don't show me where you hide it. Go on, go on.
Is this a button?
Yes.
All right, see. Where should I hide this? Maybe in here. It's too obvious. Let's see, maybe not like this. No. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. All right, Drew, I'm ready.
The U1 chip should work from about 50 feet away, but luckily our house isn't that big.
It's about 5 square feet.
5 square feet. Search. Oh, it says connected. Whoa, 6 feet. Okay, which way do I go? Oh, to my. This way. Straight ahead. Aha. Oh, it's vibrating. It's vibrating a lot. 2 feet. Is it this side? Is it this side?
Where is it?
Oh, now I'm confused. 1 foot?
It's our toilet paper stash.
I thought you put it in.
Oh, that'd be cute.
It says here.
Huh,
What?
That's weird.
Did you put it inside the ukulele?
No.
You did. Wait.
You found it. Play some music. Now you can make music with your GPS locator.
That sounds terrible.
How do you get it out?
I don't know, it's stuck there. But we can't lose the ukulele now.
Sweet.
All right, so in conclusion, this product is probably not really for me because I don't lose things terribly often, but I do think it's an amazing product. I think that being compatible with the Find My network makes it so much more versatile than competitors, and I dig the design. It's incredibly minimal. It looks like so simple for me to just cover up the little Siri icon on my chest here. It was very intelligently designed, and it felt weird that it took so long for this product to come out, but I'm glad it did because I could see a lot of people taking advantage of these things, and clearly a lot of people are ordering more than one. So the Find My network is just going to grow substantially over the next couple months, which will in return make the AirTags better. So appreciate you guys for watching. This is your Apple Sheep here. I'll see you in the next one, if you can find me in the next one.
All right, Drew, you need to give me another chance.
One more?
That last one was way too easy.
Okay. Well,
Close your eyes.
eyes are shut.
Okay. Can you close your door? Gotta make sure he doesn't hear anything. Okay. I think I'm gonna put it here. It's a lot of work though. Where can I hide this? Ooh. Probably. Okay, this one. All right, where could it be?
I'm experienced in this field now. I could play a sound, but that would be cheating.
Yeah, don't cheat.
I'm not gonna.
Show
I'm
us
not
what
gonna
you're
cheat.
seeing.
Okay, 12 feet. Man, our living room is small. Did you bury it in the money tree?
Yes,
No?
it's deep down in there.
7 feet ahead? Is there even 7 feet in the living room?
Not really.
Wait, what? Did you like bury it in the couch?
You'll have to find out.
2. 1, 2, 2. So not here. Oh, where could it be? Is it? This is not normally here, but it says
Ooh,
here.
what is it doing there?
The grand reveal is with it. Oh boy, here we go. Yep, still says here. It's not embedded in the.
There it is.
That's right.
Sorry, I couldn't fit it in a smaller one.
Okay, well, it's Louise proof. I can find it anywhere.
So I've had my chances. Now it's your turn to
Okay.
fool me.
All right.
Hide this somewhere in our house.
I can do better.
Can
Turn around. Okay. Here we go.
The real trick to mastery is to make obvious noises. She's making it make noises. Stop! Stop, that's cheating! Stop making it make noises. You can come out now.
I just wanted to keep you on your toes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm 8 feet away.
All right.
That's my radius.
Uh-huh.
Start over here. 10 feet away.
Mm.
I'm getting hot. Wait, no. This thing's going crazy.
It is?
7, 5,
Insane.
4. Oh, did you put it under the carpet?
I won't give any hints.
I'm getting closer. Is it? Oh, it's right underneath me. Did you put it in my pants?
No.
See, oh, 2 feet nearby. We got the signal.
Real close.
Did you put it in the couch? I don't want to have to dig through this entire couch.
What's it saying?
Some random crumbs in there. Nearby. 1 foot. I'm not very good at this.
It's okay.
How did you do this?
Get the number lower.
I'm trying. 1 foot. Where else can I go? Did you put it in the plant? 3 feet. You put it in your pocket, didn't you? You cheater! Bro, you can't do that.
There.
I was like, how is it moving? This is going crazy.
Well done. You got it.
2 feet. 1 foot. That's pretty clever.